To expound a little bit more about yellow alert, it was mentioned a while ago about contingency reserve. So this contingency reserve is our metrics. This is the one we are going to base. If the reserve is lower than the highest unit online, then we will be having a yellow alert. So it does not mean that we could no longer supply the demand. We still have power, only our reserves falls below the capacity of the highest unit, in such a way that if one or if the remaining, if one of those plants will trip, we could no longer supply the demand. Because in a well-planned power system, we should prepare for contingencies. Hindi naman pwede na if the demand is 2,500, we will install plants which will provide 2,500. If one will trip, then brown out yan. So it has to be higher. How much? What's the level na we could say that it's enough? It should be the reserve should be equal to the capacity of the highest unit that is running. So if that highest unit will trip, we still have reserves that can supply, and we will not be having any power failure. So if the reserve is lower than the capacity of the highest unit online, then we will be having a yellow alert. Red alert is if